Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today, in this video I will show you how you can change screensaver in Windows 10. Let's start the video. At first, click on Start button. Then, search for screensaver. Then, click on Turn screensaver on or off. Now, you can change screensaver by clicking on drop-down arrow key, and you can also customize it in Settings option. You can also watch screensaver from here. After all settings, click Apply and OK. In this way, you can turn on screensaver in Windows 10. Hope you like this video. Please click on subscribe and press the bell icon, and if you have any problems, comment in comment box. I will try to reply all comment.